Just a year ago, Whoop had very little competition in the screen-free fitness tracker space. Today, the market is fracturing. While Garmin is reportedly preparing the premium Cirqa to target the ultra-high-end crowd at over $500, the budget tier is seeing a massive influx of competition. Fitbit has officially entered the race with the Fitbit Air, and now Amazfit appears ready to strike back with the Helio Strap 2. A recent FCC filing has revealed the device under model number A2671, giving us our clearest sign yet that Amazfit is preparing a successor to its recovery-focused wearable. One of the biggest takeaways from the filing is that the Helio Strap 2 doesn't appear to be getting a major hardware overhaul. The battery capacity is listed at 230 mAh, which is virtually identical to the original Helio Strap. This suggests Amazfit isn't relying on a larger physical cell to improve endurance. Instead, any battery life gains will have to come from more efficient sensors, improved firmware, and smarter power management. The overall form factor is also expected to remain largely unchanged, though we are likely getting a few practical quality of life updates. Chief among them is a rumored easier strap swapping mechanism to let users quickly switch between different bands and wearing styles. There is also speculation that Amazfit is upgrading secondary components like the accelerometer, which would directly improve the accuracy of everyday activity tracking, workout detection, and sleep monitoring. For core health tracking, the Helio Strap 2 will continue to lean into the fundamentals: continuous heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, recovery analysis, training load measurements, and Amazfit's signature BioCharge energy scoring system. These remain the pillars of any screen-free wearable. However, the competitive landscape has shifted dramatically when it comes to advanced health features. Not too long ago, features like AFib detection were largely reserved for more expensive wearables. Google helped bring those capabilities to a wider audience by including heart rhythm monitoring and AFib alerts on the $99 Fitbit Air. This puts massive pressure on Amazfit. As of right now, the FCC filing shows no evidence of ECG support or advanced health sensors on the Helio Strap 2, meaning Amazfit might have to play catch-up out of the gate. We can also definitively manage expectations regarding GPS. The FCC documentation explicitly lists Bluetooth Low Energy as the device's only radio connectivity. That confirms there is no onboard standalone GPS or Wi-Fi built into the Helio Strap 2. Just like its predecessor, it will rely entirely on connected GPS from your smartphone, a potential deal breaker for outdoor athletes who want to leave their phone behind. Because the hardware is evolving gradually, the Helio Strap 2's biggest upgrades will need to happen in the software. Amazfit has been investing heavily in the Zepp ecosystem, and this generation will likely live or die by the quality of its recovery algorithms and AI coaching. But it won't be an easy fight. While Amazfit is refining its Zepp AI, they are going directly up against the Google Gemini-powered health coach on the Fitbit Air. The real battle here isn't just about sensors anymore, it's an AI software war. Official pricing hasn't leaked, but expectations place the Helio Strap 2 close to the original's $99 price tag. The challenge is that the budget market looks entirely different today than it did a year ago. Amazfit can no longer win solely by being the affordable, screen-free alternative to Whoop. To stand a chance against Fitbit Air at that $99 mark, the Helio Strap 2 will have to deliver a flawless, deeply insightful software experience from day one. Peace.